Alex, one more ANM required.
One quarters now it's on construction. Under
construction.
Yes. Before we need quarter, but now the quarter came.
Yes.
Then under construction.
Under construction. No?
Yes, sir.
So otherwise, the building infrastructure is okay.
Yes, sir, it's good.
It's okay, no?
Water also good.
Water is also okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what about medicine and all other?
Medicine for now.
It's okay.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, you can tell openly. If
Yeah.
there is problem,
Not so
please tell
bad.
me.
Not so bad. It's
Yeah,
fine.
it's okay, no?
Yes, yes.
So if there's any improvement to be required, because I'm here,
So
so
we need fencing.
fencing.
Yes, sir. Fencing is too. We don't have fencing. It's not good, no, sir.
Open, no? Too open.
Yes, too open.
Okay. And you said in manpower?
Manpower only in we need more. One more.
ANM.
ANM.
One more. Okay. It is as per sanction.
Yes.
But
So one is there. Now she newly joined. Then we need one more, no, sir.
Okay. So you have to be there, no?
See, because it's too heavy.
That's the norm, yeah. Okay. Then what about equipments?
Yeah, it's that one. That one. He
What is
said he want one permanent staff, but she already she joined today.
Doing not today.
Yes, he
I think because I came there.
No, it's not like that.
I'm not joking.
Okay, sir.
Just joking. And do you have solar?
Yes, sir, it's there.
Solar setup is there. So the
It's good.
and it's working, no?
It's
Solar is working.
Yes, yes.
Who gave it?
Selco.
Selco. Okay. Okay, because there are different organizations doing it.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Very good. What's your name?
Ibatok Marbot, sir.
Can I go?
Yes, sir. Because
Nobody there?
Yes, because the ANM, you know that room still is the
Oh,
under construction.
oh.
Then she keep things here.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's super.
Evan, always take from far. You need to show the property also. No? Now you can go inside.
Okay. Good. And the medicine.
We use the laboratory. We used to do blood testing.
Okay.
Magnet, SB test.
Yeah.
Yes, we used to do that.
Good. Very good. Very nice setup. Very nicely done. Do we have? By when will they finish this?
They said they will finish in 3 months.
Which means 3 months from now.
Yes. This month, last month they started. But
So by July?
by July.
July.
Because here is rainy season, we try to finish fast.
Yeah, they should finish fast. Otherwise, and this is mainly for all of you.
Yes, sir. The
2 floors.
yes, sir.
That'll be good.
Yes.